evening, everyone.
Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
So very warm welcome to Mo TV. And I was hearing everyone talk. Everyone seems to be pretty excited about knowing about the trip. So let us begin. So traveling and embracing the beauty of nature is surely the favorite thing of all of us. And when we talk about traveling, the first thing that comes to our mind, of course, like I said, sabne pehle Maldives guess kar liya hai. So yes, it is a very hot destination right now. So Maldives is generally a place to relax, recharge and enjoy. The place where the waves drum against the infinity pool and a wonderland of white sand beaches. So today we have with us a wonderful session all about Maldives trips in association with Care Voyage. So though I have spoken about Care Voyage earlier also, we partnered with them and definitely we're looking at having a lot of trips with them. As such, जैसे कल पूरी कह रहे थे, yes, इमोहा में एक साथ मिलके हम लोग नहीं गए हैं, but I think it's just so happened that every time we were planning out and she was giving out trips, something or the other kept happening, and then the COVID wave came in, so obviously everything went on hold. And now again we have opened up. So Maldives is one place where we've seen a lot of elders calling up to find out exactly what all is there, how are things going to be. So just to tell you about Care Voyage before I hand over to Shefali. Care Voyage is a 4-year-old Gurgaon-based travel and experience company serving people over the age of 50 having traveling, giving out traveling experiences to various domestic and international locations through exciting and engaging tours. So Shefali is the founder. Shefali Jain Mishra is the founder of this venture. She has worked with eminent hotel brands like Oberoi's, Le Méridien, Radisson, and her last assignment before starting Care Voyage was with Oakwood, a US-based company. She has also recently won the Times of India 2020 and the UN Limited Entrepreneur Award. So with that, I would like to welcome Shefali, and also I would like to let you know that Care Voyage has done 90 plus tours to places like Australia, New Zealand, USA, Russia, Bhutan, and many, many more. The Indian ones have not been included. The domestic travels have not been included here, but many trips have, been done. So, Shefali, welcome.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much.
And happy
Thank
to
you for
have
the
you.
introduction.
So,
Nilima ma'am, I'm very happy to see you here.
अरे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मैंने तो सबको आपका इंट्रोडक्शन पहले ही दे दिया है, पहले ही बता दिया कि भाई मैं कैसे आपसे जानती हूँ.
मैं चुपचाप अपनी तारीफ सुन रही थी, हाँ, and I was being very happy.
Oh, very good, very good. अभी तो मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ, लेकिन नेक्स्ट ट्रिप में मैं इनके साथ, इमोहा के साथ, आपके साथ चलूंगी फिर.
Lovely, that will be lovely. In fact, Ritu and I have been talking about these trips for Imoha for past 2.5 years. बहुत टाइम से हम लोग डिस्कशन कर रहे थे. But these 18 months, ये जो अभी कोविड के चक्कर में, of course, we could not. So now I hope, and keeping our fingers crossed, that life will be back to normal for all of us.
All the best, Shefali. All the best.
Thank you.
You will win. You will win. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. So good evening, everybody, once again, and thank you so much for taking time out today. And I'm really happy to see you all here. And we are very excited to see the response from Imoha members for Maldives. And, I requested the team to organize a webinar so that we can answer your queries face to face. So once again, my name is Shefali and I head Care Voyage for 50 plus wanderers. We are a travel and experience company exclusively for senior citizens. And we have been in this space for past 5 years now. And so far we have covered more than 45 countries and have traveled with more than 1,500 plus senior citizens from all over India. And before we discuss the itinerary, I will play a short video and also a slide which will give you a real-time understanding on what to expect on your holiday, right? I mean, we always want that the experience of travelers should surpass your expectation, right? I mean, you you should feel worth of every single penny that you spend. और जो आप हॉलिडे में सोचते हैं उससे बढ़कर आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो, that is what our sincere effort is always. So I'll just quickly play a video and then we will discuss the itinerary, and I would love to answer all your questions. Before I start this, Ritu, is it available? Is it viewable completely?
Yes. Can you just enlarge the enlarge it, yes.
So we have entered an exclusive contract with this hotel. This is a 5-star resort in Maldives known as Amaya Kudaraha. Okay, so now this was a professionally shot video. I would also like all of you to see the real-time pictures of the resort where you're going to stay, because largely you're going to spend your 5 days in the resort, right? So I will just share a quick slideshow with you all. Okay, so this was our group
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, you haven't done sharing your desktop. That's why we are not able to see your slides. So you need to share again and share your slides again.
This is our group which had gone to Maldives in March. This was a small group of 18 people. And after this group, the lockdown 2 happened. And so this was the exact same itinerary what we have offered you all, and exactly the same hotel. This is the place from where we take our seaplane after we land in Male. Male is the capital city of Maldives. So this is me who is getting into a seaplane. So seaplane, as you would know, it lands in water, and that is itself an experience. Because and this is a small 20-seater seaplane, which will take us from the airport to the hotel where we are staying. Then this is a random picture which I took from my phone, and the third picture is of the patio, which is right outside your water villa, right? So what all the villas in this hotel has a private pool, a plunge pool, and a patio. Right, and then this water villa, you can get onto these steps and directly get inside the lagoon. So this part is the lagoon that you see, and it opens directly into the ocean. So this is one of the guests who had shared the picture with us. So I thought that I will show you a real-time picture. This is again a beach villa, and so this villa has direct access to the beach. And this is a heavenly bath area that we call. Again, in the beach villa, you have a private pool, and of course, you have normal washrooms and the washing area and everything as well. So this is a huge place. This is really nicely done up. Again, the patio villa. These are the restaurants. This is a bar that they have. And again, these pictures are taken from my camera, from my phone. So this will give you a real-time understanding that how this place looks like. This is their restaurant. So they have one bar and a restaurant, which is a 24/7 restaurant. And these are the water villas. This is again a real-time picture of all the water villas that are there in the property. So that was all. Agar questions hain yahan par, so you all can ask me, and then we can share the itinerary. I'm sure you all would have gone through the itinerary of Maldives as well. So, and I'm expecting a lot of questions from you all. So let me know, if you have any questions.
I've not gone through the itinerary. Actually, we are not aware of the itinerary.
Or you haven't gone through the itinerary. Do you have your phone? I'm sure you have the itinerary on your phone. I would request you if you can just open the itinerary, and I will take you all through.
No, we don't have. We don't have.
Okay, so let me just share it once again. Just a second. Meeting in person is so much better than doing all this jazz, right? So anyways, so you all can see the screen now, right?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so Maldives, as we all know, luxury in paradise, and it is a dream destination for most of us. And it is gorgeous in all the senses, right? I mean, the kind of blues that you get to see in Maldives, you don't get to see it anywhere in the world, the shades of blues. So I will take you all through the day-wise itinerary. So on day 1, there is just a slight change here, that instead of 15th now, we are leaving on 16th. तो 16 तारीख को हम लोग जा रहे हैं, और गो एयर की फ्लाइट है. ये जितनी भी फ्लाइट्स हैं अभी बबल अरेंजमेंट के अंदर ये फ्लाइट्स चल रही हैं. So there are no international flights that are flying in these locations. So we will be taking Go Air, and these are the timings. So once we land at Malé Airport, so before I come to rest of the information, it is important as of now, it is mandatory to carry a RT-PCR report from India to Malé, because they check the RT-PCR report there. And right now, जिनके 2 jabs लग चुके हैं, fully vaccinated है, Maldives ने अभी तक ऐसा नहीं किया है कि उनको RT-PCR लेके आने की जरूरत नहीं है, but government is in talks. Now they are discussing and they are talking about it कि अगर जिनके जो passengers 100% vaccinated हैं, जिनके दोनों jabs लग चुके हैं, उनको RT-PCR की जरूरत नहीं होगी, but it is still a decision to be made. So once we reach Malé,
what is the date you said? 15th?
16 November, sir. 16 November. So ये दिवाली के बाद जा रहे हैं हम लोग.
Okay.
Shefali, please do the sharing screen. Sharing your whole hold this, enlarge it. Yeah, now it's visible.
Okay.
Yeah.
So आप लोग माले पहुंचेंगे. माले पहुंच के वहाँ पे हम लोगों को सी प्लेन ट्रांसफर का वेट करना पड़ता है. सी प्लेन का वेट करना पड़ता है. Generally waiting is not more than half an hour or 40 minutes. So by the time, when we are waiting for sea plane, we already have arrangements at waiting lounge, at VIP lounge of Malé Airport, where you all will be served with refreshments. And we take a seaplane transfer. Seaplane से होटल पहुंचने तक, रिजॉर्ट तक, आपके आइलैंड तक पहुंचने तक आपको 40 मिनट का टाइम लगता है. वहां पर एक this lands in the water, right, in the ocean. The plane lands in the ocean. वहां पर एक plank होता है जिसके ऊपर आप लोग you all will come there, and then from there we take a boat to the resort. So the luggage and all of that, you all don't have to worry about it. The hotel staff takes care of it. And once we are boarding the plane, then of course the staff, I'm talking about the seaplane, then of course the staff takes care of the luggage there as well. And once you arrive at the hotel, we organize a late lunch for all of you at the hotel, and then you relax, you get into your villas. And then, that is followed by a welcome dinner where we all come together, discuss, interact with each other, and call it a day. Second day, aapka breakfast will be open. It will be from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then we will, the hotel general manager will be available from 8:30 to give you a morning walk. So we will call, the entire group at a particular place, and then we will go for a morning walk of the entire entire island, so that that because this you are going to live an island life, right? You'll be all surrounded by water, and it is an absolute secluded place. So after that, you enjoy your breakfast, relax at the resort, then your lunch is also at the resort. And in the evening, we will go for a sunset cruise. This is known as Dhoni Boat Cruise, which is like a pirate ship. And there we arrange a high tea on board. It is a beautiful experience because the sunset in Maldives is just to die for. It is gorgeous. So it is like about 3 hours journey and a very pleasant journey. और वहाँ पे जिन लोगों को रीलिंग का शौक है, फिशिंग का शौक है, वो वहाँ पे सब आपके साथ स्टाफ रहेगा. They will help you do reeling and fishing and all of that. And then dinner, we come back, you relax, and then we go for our dinner from 7 to 10. That is all open. I mean, you can go at any time. If you want to go with your group of friends, you can decide amongst yourself and be at the restaurant. Then day 3. Whosoever wants to do snorkeling or any kind of water activities, you all can. आप लोग वहाँ पर जो ट्रेनर है उससे बात करके अपना एक टाइम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. जनरली जब स्नॉर्कलिंग वगैरह के लिए जाते हैं, वी हैव गिवन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द होटल दैट टू आवर पीपल दे विल नॉट take more than 2 or 3 people per expedition, right? I mean, for snorkeling or something, so that it is all easy going, and there is all safety measures that have been taken care of. And again in the afternoon, you come back, relax, be at the beaches, have your lunch. Then we organize high tea, and then during the dinner we will have a barbecue dinner and a movie night. So they serve pizzas, and they set it up beautifully on the beach where they will play a movie. अगर आप लोगों को कोई अपने मनपसंद मूवी लगाना है, आप उनको बता सकते हैं. And then there will be a barbecue dinner as well for the group. And then day 4, which will be our last day there. Again, I mean, Maldives is all about relaxing and just enjoying yourself. So क्योंकि हम लोग दिवाली पे जा रहे हैं, so there will be a certain surprise element which today I'm not going to tell. So people who will go and take this journey, they would have a beautiful evening, a cocktail evening on the 4th day. And 5th day after breakfast will be our departure. And the flight timings are comfortable at around 3 o'clock. So we will push off only by 10:30 from the hotel. And coming to the prices, so we always give 3 options to our guests. One is that you stay for 4 nights in beach villa, right? I mean, I already shared the pictures of beach villa with all of you. That is priced at 1,39,500. And this includes everything, right? I mean, this includes your flights, this includes your seaplane transfers, this includes your food, drinks, everything. Not hard drinks, but the soft beverages and all. Everything is included in this package. Then the second option is 2 nights beach villa and 2 nights water villa. My suggestion to all the guests always is to opt for a beach villa and water villa, because this gives you an exposure to both kind of villas, right? I mean, you would not feel कि अच्छा beach villa में रह लिया होता तो it was good, या water villa में रहना चाहिए था. So आपके पास दोनों का ऑप्शन हो जाता है, और इसमें पैकिंग अनपैकिंग का टेंशन नहीं है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे स्टाफ आप लोगों की हेल्प करेगा. इवन इफ यू वांट देम टू पैक एंड अनपैक योर स्टफ, दे विल डू इट. Right? Or the third option is 4 nights in water villa.
That's it.
So inclusions you all can go through. I will request Ritu to share the itinerary with all of you, and then you can go through all the inclusions. Technically everything is included. You really are not paying a single penny apart from whatever is part of the package.
Ma'am, COVID का थोड़ा सा लगता है, we don't feel very safe with the present COVID.
Ma'am, see, COVID, of course. I mean, that is a fear not only for, I mean, it is, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आप ही लोगों के लिए है, हम लोगों के लिए भी. I mean, it is always a dagger that kind of hangs on our head, right? So अगर ऐसा कुछ dire situation आती है, so without a doubt, we cancel the trip or we postpone the trip. राइट उस केस में हमारा होटल्स के साथ ऐसा अरेंजमेंट है दैट दे गिव यू 100% रिफंड, राइट. आई मीन अगर कहीं पे लॉकडाउन हो जाता है या फिर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि फ्लाइट्स नहीं चल रहे हैं या केसेस बढ़ गए हैं, तो उस केस में ऑल दीज होटल्स दीज डेज अंडरस्टैंड And we have a tie-up with them in a way where they will either postpone our trip or they will say that, okay, you can take your refund. However, for flights, it will vary. I mean, उसका जो भी cancellation policy है वो apply होता है. लेकिन अगर lockdown लगता है तो उस case में flights भी consider करती हैं. I mean, flights also give you the refund.
इसमें कोई आपके साइट सीन्स नहीं है क्या बीचेस के अलावा?
हाँ जी,
कोई साइट सीन्स भी होते हैं क्या इस ट्रिप में?
साइट सीइंग मैम कुछ नहीं है, मतलब वहां पर आपका आइलैंड हॉपिंग होता है मालदीव में, लेकिन अभी कोरोना की वजह से उन्होंने बंद किया हुआ था, बट मोस्ट लाइकली आइलैंड हॉपिंग विल ओपन अप, and once that opens up we will take you to for that activity as well. But Malé city we don't stay back because there is technically nothing to see in Malé and it is a very small city, so ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अगर आप वहां नहीं जाएंगे तो कुछ मिस करेंगे.
हाय शिफाली, गुड इवनिंग. ये आपने कहा ना आइलैंड हॉपिंग, वो क्या है, थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे प्लीज?
आइलैंड हॉपिंग मैम, जैसे यहाँ पे जहाँ पर हम रुक रहे हैं ये साउथ आइलैंड है मालदीव्स का.
ओके.
वन ऑफ द मेनी. आई एम सॉरी, आई विल जस्ट टेक अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर.
श्योर.
आई एम सॉरी. सो आइलैंड हॉपिंग का आप लोग में से कोई पूछ रहा था मैम?
मैंने पूछा था, मोहिनी हेयर.
हाँ जी. सो इसमें क्या है, यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस. वन इज नॉर्थ आइलैंड और नॉर्थ माले और साउथ माले. सो जब आप नॉर्थ माले में अगर आप रुकते हैं, देन यू गो टू हुरा आइलैंड और हिमाफुशी आइलैंड. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ यू विजिट माफुशी आइलैंड, then these are names of various islands where you go and visit. There are hotels and there are other activities that are there, so you just visit those islands and come back, because all islands have their own beauty, right? But it is all nature throughout.
And what kind of vegetation and scenic beauty is there? What is so special about this particular island trip?
Corals, ma'am. Live corals you get to see here.
Okay, live corals. Okay. Yeah. What else?
Everywhere we will get vegetarian food?
Yes, food is not a problem, ma'am.
Hello.
Let's just focus on one question at a time. So, Moni ji, you can go forward with your question and then we can move on to next question.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, live corals, they are maximum we can see on which island?
The resort where you are staying, ma'am. So, what happens is that this is an island, right?
Right.
And on this island, you have this resort.
Fine.
And from all the four sides, 360 degree, there is a lagoon, right?
Okay.
So which stretches to about 500 meters.
Fine.
And then there if you just from your water villa, if you get in, you will be able to see the the variety of fishes, the corals and all of that. And if you opt for snorkeling, you of course will be able to go a little further in the ocean, and the trainer will show you the various
For snorkeling we have to pay extra? Is it so? Or is it included in the package?
For snorkeling, it is extra, ma'am.
It is extra.
It is about.
And do we have coral reefs there or what? Like in Australia, there are so many. It's famous for the coral reefs.
Yes. You get coral reef, ma'am. Maldives is all about corals and ocean beauty.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
शेफाली, यदि कोई जना मॉरिशस में ज्वाइन करना चाहे तो कर सकता है इसी ग्रुप में, इन सेम ग्रुप?
Maldives you mean?
हाँ, मतलब हाँ. जैसे मेरी डॉटर यूके में रहती है तो मैं उसको पूछूं सीधा मॉरिशस पहुंच जाए, ऐसे कुछ?
Of course कर सकते हैं. Of course कर सकते हैं.
My question is there any upper limit of senior citizen? Now, question number 1. Question number 2, does this program include insurance, medical insurance? And thirdly, for cancellation, as you said, if it is cancelled due to other reasons than corona, then all the regulations of refund of ticket will be refunded, which means they'll deduct some money. Is it
Yes,
so?
that is correct. So see, in case of COVID, the refund is, in the way I said that the hotel refunds. But in other situations, it completely depends on the hotel to take a call whether, like for example, if somebody is not keeping well, right? I mean, कुछ तबीयत खराब हो जाता है या कुछ है, so उस केस में हम लोग अपनी तरफ से पूरा ट्राई करते हैं कि आप लोगों को रिफंड मिल जाए. But it is always at a discretion of the hotel, and it is also at the discretion of the airlines. और आपने इंश्योरेंस का पूछा, इंश्योरेंस इसमें नहीं इंक्लूडेड है सर. वो एक सिंपल रीजन है कि हमारे साथ 50 से लेकर 79, 80 इयर्स तक के भी लोग जाते हैं. सो जो इंश्योरेंस का अमाउंट 50 साल के या 55 साल के लिए होगा, वो अमाउंट 70 साल के या 75 साल के लिए ज्यादा होगा, राइट? सो इसलिए करके हम लोग इंश्योरेंस इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं अपने पैकेजेस में.
इस प्राइस में इंश्योरेंस सेपरेट है.
हाँ जी.
और अगर कोई यहाँ से जाते समय एक दिन पहले बीमार हो जाता है और तो वो उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन है, क्या काटते हैं क्या देते हैं.
करेक्ट. ये मेरे साथ हो चुका है मैडम, एक हो चुका है बाली आइलैंड्स में. I was not given any discount there. Only the airline money was refunded. The rest of the hotel, Bangkok and Bali, was just deducted, absolutely slashed. Because 12 days before time, I fell down and I was on wheelchair.
No, sir. I mean, since we do only senior citizens, we are cognizant of this fact कि इस type की कोई भी situation हो सकती है. So it is not a blanket rule for any of such situations. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी की genuine तबीयत खराब है या कुछ है तो उस केस में उनका पैसा मतलब गया सारा. ये चीज बिल्कुल नहीं होती है. So that is what I said कि अगर genuine situation है, आपके पास सारे reports हैं, आपके X-rays हैं, in your situation, Shashi ma'am, you know what you said. So
yes.
उस केस में we ensure that hotel agrees to pay you the amount back, you know, and that is our understanding with the hotel, that, you know, whatever advance we have paid, that can be adjusted in the later booking, but they try and give us a credit note on such situations.
Do you take people?
I mean, we try our best. I'm not saying that I'm committing 100%, but in such situations, I mean, we have never faced any such issue.
Do you take people up to 80 years also?
To Maldives, if you feel fit and fine, we don't see age to be a parameter in that case. You know, you should feel healthy about yourself. Your doctor should tell you that yes, you are fit to travel.
Do you give any help to those super senior citizens?
Sorry?
Do you give any help, assistance, manual help or something to those people over 80 who are okay, healthy, but maybe some problem in their knee or something like that, walking problem, something? Do you give them some help or what?
Of course, sir. Like अगर किसी को, for example, hand holding चाहिए, किसी को wheelchair assistance चाहिए, so all of that is taken care of.
Okay, good.
Can I come in?
Yeah, sure, please.
शेफाली नमस्ते.
नमस्ते सर.
एक तो जो हमारी कोवैक्सीन जैब है वो सर्टिफिकेट पिक पे चलेगा?
एक बार फिर से बोलेंगे सर?
जो सर्टिफिकेट है जैब्स का व्हाट्सएप पिक लिए हो तो चलेगा या हार्ड कॉपी लेके चलना है?
सर सर्टिफिकेट कौन सा, आरटीपीसीआर का बात कर रहे हैं?
नो कोवैक्सीन जैब्स का.
अच्छा, सो अभी जैब्स का मालदीव्स ये बोल रहा है कि अगर आपने आप डबल वैक्सीनेटेड है भी तब भी आपको आरटीपीसीआर अपना कैरी करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन आपका जो सर्टिफिकेट है वो आप अपने फोन से भी दिखा सकते हैं.
अच्छा, नाउ सेकंड इशू, ये जो हमारे फूडिंग होगी, इट इज गोइंग टू बी ए बुफे सिस्टम और ला कार्ट?
It will be a la carte system. Okay, that is a very good question. So breakfast में वहाँ पर बुफे लगता है. लंचेस और डिनर्स में एक कोविड की वजह से हम लोगों ने होटल के साथ ये अरेंजमेंट किया है कि आप लोगों की टेबल्स pre-allocate हो जाते हैं with your names on every table, right? Like for example, Mrs. and Mr. Kumar. So आपका एक table reserve हो जाएगा day 1 से day 5 के लिए. So वहाँ पर आप आके बैठेंगे और menu आपसे dinner का menu lunch पे आपके WhatsApp पे आ जाएगा. You can just let them know what you want to eat, and then that goes to your butler, and he will communicate on your behalf with the chef. And then whatever you want to have, you can always communicate with your butler, and then he arranges the food accordingly.
ये मेन्यू जो होगा लिमिटेड होगा या you can order anything?
So menu is quite good enough. I mean, it is a world cuisine that they serve. बस मेरा आप लोगों से एक, I mean, I would want to be very candid with you. हम लोग जब बाहर मॉल्दीव जैसी जगह भी जाते हैं तो हमको लगता है कि हमें इंडियन खाना ऐसा ही मिलना चाहिए जैसे यहाँ पे हमारे रेस्टोरेंट्स में मिलता है. तो वो टेस्ट कभी-कभी नहीं आता है. I mean, I always try and explain कि जब आप लोग see, I mean, we are not expecting you all to change your palate, right? We understand that for 30-40 years आपका एक तरीके का खाना रहा है और आप लोगों की उसकी आदत हो गई है. But it is always good to try something new, right? और उसके बाद अगर as far as your typical Indian food is concerned, आपकी अगर शुगर रिलेटेड कोई इशू है या फिर कोई आपको स्पेशल किसी चीज से कोई एलर्जी है या कोई भी चीज आपको अपने शेफ को बोलना है, यू आर फ्री टू कम्युनिकेट, यू आर फ्री टू टेल देम दैट दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ फूड वी लाइक, बट इट शुड नॉट सो हैपन दैट यू सिट इन द रेस्टोरेंट एंड देन टेल कि मेरे को ये खाने में ये चीज नहीं ठीक लगता है या ऐसा नहीं लगता, बिकॉज उन लोगों को भी टाइम चाहिए होता है प्रिपेयर करने का, और हम लोग क्योंकि आइलैंड पे होते हैं तो वहां पर लिमिटेड इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं, so it is always good to let them know. So वैसे तो हम लोगों के जितने भी ट्रिप्स हैं उसमें we take your preferences also, what kind of food you eat, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, अगर कोई allergies है या कुछ भी है, so all that goes to a hotel, so they are already aware. But अगर आपकी कोई personal preference है, so I always suggest our guests that you go to the restaurant manager, you go to your butler and tell them that this is what I like to eat and this is what I want, and everything can be arranged, but arranging everything last minute become a challenge. That's it.
अब last question, आपने लिखा है free health checkups. It is going to be only health checkups or the treatment?
No, it is checkups. So there is a resident doctor in the resort. Like for example, कभी किसी को water activity करके आए, किसी को energy low लग रही है, किसी को ऐसा लग रहा है कि blood pressure ठीक नहीं है, तो वो doctor will come to your villa, he will check, और जो भी मेडिसिन वगैरह उस टाइम पे अगर उनको एडमिनिस्टर करनी है तो मेडिसिन अगर उनके पास अवेलेबल होगी, they won't charge for the medicine, otherwise he will let you know. अभी तक टचवुड कभी कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन आई नहीं है. जनरल बस इतना होता है कि थोड़ा सा वीकनेस लगती है लोगों को, सो ग्लूकोज दे दिया या फिर कुछ खाने को दे दिया एंड दे फील बेटर, बट उससे ज्यादा तो टचवुड सर अभी कुछ ऐसा वो हुआ नहीं है.
Thank you.
Yes.
Fali, can I ask you?
Sure, sir. Please go ahead.
I got two questions. One is the insurance you talked about, which is extra. Is it the travel insurance or is it something called medical insurance?
So it will be a combination of both. It will be medical and travel both. Say for example, if somebody's luggage goes, I mean, it is misplaced. So in that case, that is taken care of. They will tell you that how much they are going to reimburse in such a case, $100, $150, or whatever the amount is. And in case of health as well, health related issues, then also they tell you a particular amount that जो general होता है, ऐसा जब आप लोग travel करते हैं out of India, जो travel medical insurance is one thing.
No, whenever we travel outside India, we get the medical insurance done separately, and travel insurance is of course a part of the tickets.
Yeah, it is always part of your medical insurance.
But for health insurance, we do not know what are the medical facilities available there. So I'm asking you, do we need to get it done, or the resident doctor, as you're suggesting, will take care of the medical exigencies?
So he will diagnose, he will check, and he will let you know in case, God forbid, if somebody needs a hospitalization and all. In that case, the medical insurance will take care of the expenses as per the limits, right?
Okay.
So if you want, we can always share that. Generally, the insurance that we get done is $50,000. And in that approximately, I will tell you the amount, that what is the reimbursable amount, you know, and then what is the and these insurances are all cashless insurance that we do.
Okay. Second question is that what are the payment terms? Like, when do we have to pay how much, or you want?
So right now we are taking just the booking amount of 50,000 rupees per person. And by October 1st week, we would request the rest of the payment.
Shefali, can you ask?
Thank you, Shefali.
I'll just check with Mr. Nirmal if he's...
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
This cost is per person.
Per person.
Yes.
So if a single person is going, the room is twin sharing or single room?
Ma'am, in that case, we will find you a lady partner, and we are generally able to, like for example, abhi Maldives ke trip mein we have 2 or 3 single ladies who are traveling. So we will find you a partner. But in case if you yourself want that you should have a single room, in that case, you pay for a single supplement.
Okay, we have to pay more.
Yes.
Thank you.
Shefali, 1,49,000 is for one person, right?
Per person, yes.
Per person. Okay.
I know, ma'am. Maldives as a destination is an expensive destination. You know, I mean, post-COVID now, Maldives is really looking at Indians, and looking at Indian market. But if you look at the history, they were never targeting Indian market earlier. You know, it was only the European market and the Russians and US market that they would aim at.
No, that is okay. Cost cutting.
I'd like to ask a question.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were talking about the medical and travel insurance. Will you get it done for us and we pay you, or we have to do it on our own?
No, everything we get done for you, ma'am. We will, we are a one-stop shop.
You will do it.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Which is the last date for payment of the Maldives trip?
Ma'am, it is on first come, first serve basis. We already have about 12-13 people who have signed up. And now 6 or 7 spots are left. So our group size is not more than 20. You know, our threshold is 20 people. We don't do beyond 20. And then there will be a tour manager who will be with you. I think I missed that point. In all our group tours, somebody from our office will always accompany the group from Delhi to Delhi. You know, so this ensures that he or she is completely aware of your likes, dislikes, your medical history, everything. We will have a support.
And where do we assemble for the boarding of the flight, So all of us from different districts.
T3 gate number 5 inside, that has been our assembling point always. And we generally also do, before any tour, we also do a little get together. You know, हम लोग एक get together करेंगे 10 या 15 दिन पहले tour से, जहाँ पे we will invite you for a high tea. The idea is कि आप जिन लोगों के साथ travel कर रहे हैं, आप उन लोगों को एक बार जान लीजिए, उन लोगों से interact कर लेते हैं, तो airport पे मिलते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं लगता कि बिल्कुल नए faces देख रहे हैं. You know, you get to know each other.
You will provide us a pickup from the home?
If you want, we can, and that comes with an additional cost, but we do have that arrangement.
Okay. Thank you. And swimming trainer will be there? The guard and all?
Yes, sir. They all are there. अगर बस मैं यही बोलूंगी लास्ट में कि अगर मालदीव्स आप लोगों की बकेट लिस्ट में है, so don't think too much. Just come along and you are going to have time of your life. You are really going to enjoy it.
And Shefali, our last question to you is that this is just the beginning of the tour, the trips that you're going to organize. Later on, we are expecting some, even more exciting trips from your side.
Yes. So I'm glad that you put up that question, ma'am. So it is not only Maldives that we are doing. There are a host of trips that are lined up. We just did 3 trips to Kashmir from August up till now. And then we are going to Kashmir again on 16th of October. 16th October से 23 October कश्मीर जा रहे हैं, जो autumn का time होता है और saffron harvesting का time होता है. That's a beautiful time to Kashmir again.
Yeah.
And
we've been to Kashmir many times.
Okay, and then after Kashmir, we are going on a 5-day trip to Andamans. That will be a 5 nights and 6 days trip. And post that.
Been there also.
Yeah, so I'm just telling everybody, ma'am. So in November, we are going to Maldives. Then we are going to Meghalaya, Northeast, Meghalaya and Kaziranga, which is on 10th or 11th of November. And post that, we are going to Run of Kutch. So we are covering the entire Gujarat belt. Run of Kutch is one trip of 7 days, 6 nights and 7 days. And then we are also covering Dwarka, Somnath, Sasangir. All of this is in November, right? And December, we have Hampi, we have Goa, we have a lot of trips that I will share with Emoha team, and they perhaps will share the calendar with all of you. So in all these trips, apart from Maldives, in case if you want to join us for Kashmir or if you want to join us for any other trip, please feel free, and it would be our pleasure.
Thank you, Shefali.
इस ग्रुप में बड़ी पॉजिटिव वेव्स आपके लिए दी हैं, that you look after so well, और बड़ी kudos और compliments दिए आपके आने से पहले लोगों ने.
Thank you. And we won't disappoint you, that is our promise. So be rest assured.
God willing, everything.
Any other question?
शिफाली, जब एक लिस्ट फाइनल हो जाए आपकी, आई थिंक ग्रुप में पोस्ट भी कर दोगे, अच्छा लगेगा जरा.
किस चीज की लिस्ट सर?
जो द ग्रुप पीपल.
अच्छा, ओके.
जरा हेलो हाय हो जाती है, if you are able to give their contact numbers.
Okay, sure.
वैसे आप बुला तो रही हो, in spite of that. अगर ये शेयर कर देंगे. And when do you need our documents?
पासपोर्ट चाहिए होगा सर इसके लिए, और दैट्स इट. तो आपका 20 दिन पहले लेंगे पासपोर्ट हम लोग. वो भी
पहले आपने कहा था ना एक फर्स्ट पेज की कॉपी भेज दीजिए, ऐसी समथिंग यू सेड इट.
हाँ जी, तो फर्स्ट पेज की कॉपी आपका उसके लिए चाहिए होता है हम लोगों को, एयरलाइंस के लिए.
ओके.
Yeah, and then there is a visa process, which is an online visa that we will do for you.
Okay.
So the visa fees is inclusive in this?
Yes, everything is included. Yes.
When do you need that passport?
20 दिन में.
ये आपके जो इंडिया में जो और ट्रैवलिंग प्लेसेस हैं, जैसे अहमदाबाद अभी आपने बोला, ये बोला, इसका आप मुझे भेज देंगे कुछ, मतलब कब कौन सा ट्रिप जा रहा है?
हाँ जी, मैं आपको कैलेंडर मैं रितु को या संजना को भेज देती हूँ. मैंने वैसे भेजा हुआ है एक बार.
क्योंकि इंडिया में शायद ट्रैवलिंग हम ज्यादा पसंद करेंगे, इसमें तो जाएंगे ही शायद. आई विल मेक प्रोग्राम फॉर दैट.
अभी शिवाली,
वीजा ऑन अराइवल?
यस, वीजा इज ऑन अराइवल.
अभी शिवाली, कितने लोगों ने मालदीव्स कंफर्म किया है?
13 लोग हो गए सर.
13 लोग हो गए.
तो ये ऋतु को कंफर्म करने से ही हो जाएगा ना? तो
हाँ जी. Anything else? Any questions? आप लोग ऋतु या संजना से मेरा नंबर भी ले सकते हैं. In case if you have any questions, I would love to answer.
Can you put your number on chat box?
Yeah, sure.
Is there any age bar?
As I said, that not really. If you feel yourself that you are fit to travel, your doctor tells you that you are fit to travel, then there is no, we have not put any kind of embargo that a person of, of a certain age cannot travel.
Medical certificate is required.
Ma'am, that is for your own good. We always say that आप एक बार अपने डॉक्टर से जाके बात करिए, उनको बताइए कि आप मालदीव जा रहे हैं, इतने दिन की ट्रिप है, मेरे को लेना चाहिए, नहीं लेना चाहिए. So it is always good to consult your doctor when you are going on any trip.
Is there any hospital there, Shefali? Or is it just a doctor normal?
There is a small nursery, but there is no hospital. Hospital is in Malé.
What is the travel time?
40 minutes by seaplane.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
So can you tell me the figures once again for 2 plus 2?
It is 1,49,500, sir.
149,500. Why don't you make it 1.5 lakhs?
Bata style.
This is Bata style, yes.
That 500 rupees is the only saving Shefali will make. All she will spend on you.
The payment will be done through bank, or we can give you cash also?
It is through bank or through check. If you want, somebody can come to your place and collect the check also. If you are in Delhi NCR, so our runner can come and collect.
Cash से काम चलेगा?
Cash we avoid, ma'am. Cash we avoid.
Okay.
Maximum, how many people you take?
20, ma'am. 20 लोग.
20th November?
नहीं, I'm saying 20 लोगों से ज़्यादा का group नहीं करते हैं, तो 20 people will be there in one group. We are leaving on 16th November.
Okay, 16th November.
जी.
तो मैम आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि 13 लोग आपके इमोहा के अलावा हो चुके हैं?
हाँ जी, उसमें से 2 लोग इमोहा के भी हैं.
11 लोग बाहर के हैं, 2 इमोहा के हैं, 13 इसी तरह ना? ओके.
वो 2 हम ही है क्या? शिफाली?
कौन है?
शिफाली?
Sorry?
तो आप ही
मैं कहता 2 लोग हम ही हैं क्या? विजय डाल रेडी डाल?
Sorry?
कौन है 2?
Yes. अच्छा, you are Mr. Oh, okay. I wasn't aware. All right, great. Great to see you, sir.
इसीलिए तो इतने सवाल पूछ डाले विजय जी ने. He's actually going.
Yeah.
हम लोग तो we are the cheerleaders.
His son has gifted a holiday to his parents, and he was super excited.
But you must thank people like us who are cheerleaders. We are not going. Still, we are logged in and watching what is happening.
Sharma ji, we will love to have you go and enjoy literally, it's the time to relax and definitely.
Yes.
मतलब इस ट्रिप पे अगर आप लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं ना, तो इस माइंडसेट से आइएगा कि वहां पे बिल्कुल आप लोगों को इजी रहना है, कोई भागम भाग नहीं है. देयर इज नो रनिंग अराउंड, देयर इज नो pressure of getting up at a certain time, there is no pressure of sleeping at a certain time. Just enjoy yourself. You should also know how to enjoy your own company, right? And make new friends. I'm sure that you all will.
उससे तो सब तंग आए हो पहले, अपनी से सब लोग.
और शिफाली, वहाँ पे कोई मार्केट वगैरह भी है? Let's say if you want to do any shopping.
No sir, no. वहाँ पे एक तो शॉप्स हैं जो रिजॉर्ट के अंदर हैं, और उसके अलावा कोई शॉपिंग, Maldives is not a shopping destination.
If you want to bring some, gift from that place for the people down in India,
सौगात
क्या है वहाँ पे? What is the item which one can really pick from there?
थोड़ा बहुत तो मिल जाता है।
Seashells वगैरह लेते हैं सर लोग, वहाँ से लेके आते हैं। और उसके अलावा इसी souvenirs वगैरह मिलते हैं, वो आप एयरपोर्ट से पिक कर सकते हैं। There is a beautiful shop at the airport, at Malé Airport. You can pick a few items from there. Then magnets are there, and those clothes are there, those printed capes and all of that. So if you want, you can pick all that.
जो भी वहाँ के व्यूअर्स बैठे हुए हैं इस टाइम, मैं उनसे भी अपील करूंगा कि जरूर कंपनी करें, so that we are a family.
नहीं, एक जगह ऐसी डिसाइड कर लो जहाँ पे हम लोग सारे ही मोहा वाले ही चले जाए।
No discount for the couple.
Ma'am, we don't believe in the policy of our simple. हम लोगों का एक सिंपल रूल है कि अगर किसी एक को डिस्काउंट दिया है, so rest of the 19 people are also eligible for discount.
I would request, ask for service, not for discounts.
Exactly.
I would just request, अगर आपके कोई और questions हैं, then we can take it. Otherwise, we can just, wrap up this session.
Thank you so much. It was very pleasant talk.
Thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for your time.
Now Shefali, balance payment we will make it.
Thank you.
I would request you please collect the payment from us.
Okay. All right, sir.
So thank you everyone for joining in. I'll just take, अगर किसी और के कोई questions नहीं है, so I'm supporting. Okay, fine, great.
No, Shefali has already given the number. We can talk to her directly then.
Just requesting you, in case you want to basically book for the travel or anything, you can also let your ERM know about it. They can also connect with Shefali's team, because that's how we do it. Otherwise, whatever way works for you, but you can definitely let your ERM also know about it. So Shefali, thank you so much for this session today, and I know everyone was looking very much forward to it. The time we shared about this, we were getting a lot of queries, and it was great to have you here. So looking forward to many more such sessions with you regarding Orbit travel and tours, India, domestic travels, international travels, where our elders can enjoy it a lot.
Yeah, Sanjana,
so thank you.
Yeah. So sorry, I did cut you short. I'm sorry. So I was saying that whenever you guys are having a next session with your members, you can also take interest from them in case they want to just go to a nearby place, for a 2-nighter or a 3-nighter. That also can be organized.
Great. We will definitely look forward to it. I'll just connect with my partner team, and then we can take it forward the way, basically we can take it forward from there. Yeah.
Sounds
okay.
Good.
Thank you,
everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful evening. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Bye.